It's a spring weekend in Florence. We're out for a bicycle trip along the Arno River. We start from Piazza Ognissanti. The river is quite full after heavy rain. I don't know if you can see, there are small water drops rising from the river, like a mist. It's quite magical. These are fallen branches from the heavy rain. They are stopped by the bridge here. Now we have come to the other side of the river after crossing St. Trinity Bridge. The riverbank has become quite muddy from the rain. My son wants to go to a place down the river where there is a meal-turned-hotel. We're not sure if it's open at this time of the year, but we're not in any kind of hurry, so we'll go and find out. It's always fun to watch people practicing kayaking on the Arno River. We are now approaching the old mill. We can hear the water sound, which is quite loud. More trees washed up the bank. Here's the hotel we used to visit a lot in summer. Wow, it's open! What a surprise! Someone is stretching his legs after sitting on the bicycle for half an hour.
Over the wall or?
No, only just.
We are coming to the back side of the hotel where you can see the mill. So here is the old mill. Now is the most exciting part. We're going to see the water just below us. This is presumably the part where they used to store water. There is a narrow corridor around that. It's so much fun to explore this place. Now I'm walking right next to the water. such an interesting place. We are back inside. You can tell that this used to be a different space. We are going to take some refreshments outside the bar.
Yeah, I think it's taking water, so it's
对啊，我也想不到现在会开。
You see how smart it was for you to agree to first.
My son is very happy that he's proven right. He missed this place.
这是什么？
Ginger ale.
真诚，我得笑哔哔哔。一个不，我这个冰棍，
你要这个冰块干嘛？
Would you like to have?
说。
今天的。好了吗？抓紧了啊！哎，过来咪。
On our way back, we come to this riverside playground where we had so much fun. It's a peaceful Sunday with nature and sunlight. Thank you for watching.